Now we are going to see Apex Trigger 2. So here requirement is whenever lead is created with lead source as web, then give rating as cold, otherwise hot. So here on a lead standard object, whenever we are creating a lead with the lead source as web, so lead source is a pick list field in object lead. Lead source as web. So based on this condition, we need to update the field, that is rating. If it is web, we need to give update it to cold, otherwise hot. So this is the simple beginner level trigger scenario. So here, as per the trigger syntax, trigger name on object, that is lead. We are writing on the lead object before insert. So this case is we are handling before this lead record committing to the database. That's why here we taken before insert trigger event. Before insert trigger events we will mention here before insert. As per the syntax of the trigger, starting curly, ending curly. Next, now we are checking newly inserting lead records with help of Trigger.new. Why? Because freshly these records are entering. The requirement is telling that at the time of creating time, not for updating time. If it is update, so things will change. But now here we need to consider only for creation, only for insertion time. So that's why here we taken Trigger.new and we are iterating all new records in the variable L. So here L contains all new lead records. Here with help of if condition we are checking the lead source. L.LeadSource double equal to web. So it is a string, that's why single quote. Double equal to is we will use for checking purpose. If it is web, so based on that we are allocating lead rating equal to cold. It is as per the syntax. And if class curly braces, set of curly braces close. And after that else we need to assign rating equal to hot. So that's why we take an else as per the syntax. We are following L.Rating equal to hot. Very simple. So before starting the code, we need to understand on what object we need to write. What are the trigger events comes into the picture? What are the trigger context variables comes into the picture? How we need to prepare the logic. So these points we need to think and we have clarity on these areas. So based on that, it is easy to prepare the trigger. So this is the trigger. Now we will check this trigger functionality in the arc lead. Let's create a lead. So what are the required fields? Demo lead record. I am taking cold. Demo lead record cold. So company I am giving Salesforce, and based on the lead source, lead source web. If it is web, rating equal to cold. So that is our requirement. Let's we check. I am saving this record. Our record is demo lead cold. Okay. Demo lead record cold. So here also we can check with inspector, Salesforce inspector, what are the values it contains. Now let's see source. Source is web. If source is web, then what is the rating? Rating equal to code. Perfect. Working fine. Now we will check another one. Here also you can check. This is our demo record. Fib cold. Perfect. Working. Now we will create one more. Last name demo lead hot. Lead record hot. And the lead source I am taking other than web. Now our expectation is rating equal to hot. Other than we need to assign to hot. So that's why I am not giving any value. I am submitting this record, lead record, and we will see. Demo lead record hot. Demo lead record hot. Demo, where it is. Demo lead record hot. We will see here inspector show all data. Now source is phone inquiry. Based on that, what is the rating? Rating equal to hot. So perfect. As per the requirement, functionality is working. Our code is also working fine. So this is second trigger. Thank you.